How long is the hold on Gemini? Hook. What happens when you try to deposit a large sum of money into your Gemini account? Context. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Recently, Gemini has been experiencing a backlog in processing deposits. This means that if you try to deposit money into your account, it may take some time for the funds to clear. Thesis. In this video, we will discuss how long it takes for Gemini to process deposits and what you can do to speed up the process. What is the current hold time for Gemini deposits? The current hold time for Gemini deposits is up to 5 business days. This means that it can take up to 5 business days for your funds to clear after you make a deposit. What factors can affect the hold time for your deposit? There are a number of factors that can affect the hold time for your deposit, including the amount of money you are depositing, the type of payment method you are using, whether you have verified your identity with Gemini. How can you speed up the process of getting your deposit cleared? There are a few things you can do to speed up the process of getting your deposit cleared. Verify your identity with Gemini as soon as possible. Use a payment method that is supported by Gemini. Deposit a smaller amount of money at a time. Contact Gemini customer support for help. What are the risks of depositing a large sum of money into Gemini? There are few risks associated with depositing a large sum of money into Gemini. These risks include the risk that your funds will be lost or stolen, the risk that Gemini will be hacked or shut down, the risk that the price of cryptocurrency will fall. Call to action. If you are considering depositing a large sum of money into Gemini, it is important to be aware of the risks involved. You should also take steps to speed up the process of getting your deposit cleared. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, use visuals to help illustrate your points. Use a conversational tone to make your video more engaging. Keep your videos short and to the point. Promote your video on social media and other channels. By following these tips, you can create a great YouTube video that will help people learn more about the Gemini deposit hold time.